Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I have my next, I'm not going to call it a mod. I mean, it is a modification, but it's not a very complicated thing, really, that I'm going to do with the Toyota Tacoma. I got these in today. They were picked up from Sparks Parts, and I'll give you a part number here when we get going. But we're going to do a little unboxing, and then we're going to put these in the truck. So let me turn you around, show you what I got. Again, this is not a complicated mod. These are genuine Toyota all-weather floor liners, or floor mats, as I like to call them. I'll turn this around, show you guys the part number, in case you're interested. There you go. That is the part number from Sparks Parts. These cost me with tax and shipping, I guess, or just tax, I think. I don't know that there was any shipping. But they cost me $122. So we're going to unbox these, take a look at them, see what they look like, and swap out the carpeted ones on the inside. So let me set you up for that, and we'll pull them out and see what they look like. Okay, there you go. We got the camera kind of finagled around a little bit there. So let's go ahead and cut these things open and see what we have here. Of course, I don't want to cut through the mats themselves, you know, that would be a drag. Let's see, lots of tape on here. I guess that's a good thing. Lots of tape on here. Okay. There we go. Now, let's take a look here. Not sure who the manufacturer is. They say these are genuine Toyota parts. So we have the inside here. I'm not sure whether this is driver's side or not, but side front. Over here is the, oops, we'll call this the probably driver's side, I guess, is probably, this is the driver's side mat here, you guys can see. Nice packing stuff. And then here is the rear liner. So we're going to go ahead and take out the OEM carpet mats, and we're going to put these in and see how they fit. Alright, let's go ahead and get these out. I have one here. You'll notice this is these are separate pieces in the back. Just throw those in the bed for right now, I guess. Go over here and grab the passenger side rear. Ah, there is no passenger side rear here. How about that? Oh, no, there isn't. Wow, so I got shorted a mat for the passenger side rear. I wonder if there's anything underneath. Let's see. No. Well, how about that? I wasn't even aware of that. Huh. Well, I guess if it mattered to me, which obviously at this point it does not, because I bought aftermarkets, so I guess it doesn't matter, but I'll be darned. Here's the passenger side. Of course, it has these little nubs here. Gotta twist and take out. Pretty simple. There you go. Go over to the driver's side. Isn't that something? Yeah, I didn't even realize. Wow. Huh. I'll be darned. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Shame on me for not checking. Here's the driver's side. Get that out of there. And you can see there's a little bit of specks of stuff in there, but not too much. So I'm just going to wipe that out with my hands. Normally, I would sweep that out, but there's not too much in there, so I don't think I'm going to worry about it. Get the OEMs down here. Isn't that something? Wow. Okay, let's grab the passenger side here first. And look at that, on the back they even give you some directions on how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and pause for a moment and pull these things off because I don't really need them. Okay, we're going to actually start with the passenger side right here. Take those over and see if we can't get them twisted in over here. Doing this one-handed, of course. Since they are OEM, they should fit quite well, and they do. There you go. Twist a little nub there. Whoops. There, and that puts in the passenger side. Nice good fit here. Goes up a little bit on the edges. I like that. Fits right up against the rear part here. Looks very good. Happy with that. Let's go ahead and grab the center piece here. This piece right here goes all the way across, and I do like it's one piece and covers the front or the center as well. So let's see if we can't finagle this one in. Might have to set you guys down here for a minute. Set you right there. Let you look at the ceiling. Okay. I could have put the seats up, I guess, to do this. But, why do that? And am I even putting it in the right way? No. You see, I have it in backwards. Strange why it wouldn't fit, right? Okay. Pick you guys up here. I'll apologize if I'm throwing you all over the place. There, got that one in. This is a better fit than the cardboard. The carpeted ones seem to be. Let's get over here. Oh yeah, nice. Now you can see it fits right here over the hump. I like that. Goes up underneath the seat here, which is good. And then down here to the edges, and then right along the edge. That's pretty nice. Go back over and check the other side out one more time. Make sure we're all lined up over here. Very nice. Again, it's a nice fit, as it should be, because it is OEM. I expect it'll fit perfectly, and it does. Back over here and shut this door, kind of bug control. Now, as I said, I'm just going to wipe this front off real quick here. Because again, this hasn't been driven a ton, so there's not a ton of dirt. Next time I clean the truck out, I'll break out the sweeper and do a proper job cleaning it. Let's go ahead and grab the floor mat now. There it is in all its glory. Let's go ahead and get that in here. Let you guys see that. And again, we just want to line it up with the little nubs that are down here and then lock them into place, as you can see. And it is a perfect fit, as I would expect it to be. Even comes up over the lip here of the door sill, which I like. That's nice. As you can see, that's a good snug fit. Very cool. And I also like the fact that it says Tacoma on it. You know, if it was aftermarket, obviously it wouldn't say that. It would have probably the company's name that produced them, and I'm not real big on that. So I kind of like the way those are labeled like that, and they fit quite well. Cool. I would say that was a successful purchase. Nice little mod to the truck. I think it looks really good. Now, one thing that I will mention, why didn't I get WeatherTech or Huskies? You know, I've had some experience with WeatherTechs before, and The problem I have with them is they're too rigid, they're too hard. They're basically like almost like a hard vinyl from my experience. And they don't have a lot of play or a lot of give in them, and it doesn't seem like they often fit properly. So I'm not a big fan of those. The Huskies, however, do look pretty good. They are a flexible rubber and do seem to fit pretty well in the vehicles that I've seen. So I always go OEM #1 if possible, as long as the OEMs do what they're supposed to and look good. In this case, they definitely do. I think the OEMs are perfect for this. I really didn't see any reason to go aftermarket, even though I'm sure Toyota doesn't produce them themselves, obviously. They're probably farmed out to somebody, but I'm not quite sure who the manufacturer is. Anyway, I like them. They fit well, they're labeled properly, and should last for a long time. If you're interested in those, again, I got them from Sparks Parts. You can see the part number at the beginning of the video. If you're interested in them, they're about 122 bucks, I think, something like that. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. You know what you normally do for floor mats. Do you stay OEM or do you go aftermarket? Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.